We have a very strong connect with the industry. Our corporate industry relations, CIR, has networked with a few hundreds of top tier industries. And inviting experts from industries to share their knowledge is very much a very integral component of the learning ambience anywhere in Amrita. And I can show you our own examples. We have invited more than a dozen industry experts from TCS, from computer vision, and from Intel, and many others. And therefore, students have this opportunity to listen to the experts directly and interact with them. In fact, the new cybersecurity program that we have started, and as I told you, it's a very emerging area and with a lot of challenges and opportunities inherent with that. We have introduced a new initiative where every alternate Saturday, there's an expert from industry. In fact, there are a few experts who have come even from US and from Singapore, giving them an international exposure about what this field is emerging and what kind of challenges are upcoming, what kind of skills the students should possess in order to solve these problems. So this is all because the inherent strength in Amrita Vishwavidya Peedam. I would say the industry connect is very strong, and the students definitely have an upper edge because of this interaction.
So as you rightly said, the update of knowledge, what's happening around the industry, unless you bring in those experts to talk to your students directly, I mean, they get a better idea, and yes, they could improve in terms of their knowledge on industry as such. If I'm the CEO of a company, my expectation would be, it's called FHFD. When I say FHFD, when I recruit a student from Amrita School of Engineering, when I say FH is the first hour and FD is the first day, I would like to see, outcome, some sort of, from the first hour itself.
Absolutely.
Because principal sir, we don't have time for training them up and then putting them on probation for about a year and then confirming them. No, we want ready-made engineers who can start performing, and we can see an outcome in the first hour, first day. This is what, if I'm the CEO of a company.
And I can tell you with 200% confidence that the way we have designed our curriculum, the way we have designed our teaching, learning, pedagogy, the way we involve our students into research, into professional society, technical association clubs, and a holistic education, there cannot be a better place to nurture them to be industry ready from day one. Let me put it into simple components. If you look at our curriculum, we have, as I told you, advanced concepts in 3D printing, in IoT, all these kind of disruptive technologies that we are talking about that is going to make a world of difference in the next decade. So all these students are exposed right from the very first year. I'm not saying students are being given this input in the third year or final year. Right from the very first year, we have excellent labs. We have built up an Intel IoT lab of excellence, where students get to really go and experiment with some of their innovative ideas. and try to observe for themselves. That's the kind of experience that we provide students. Now, as part of that, we have a lot of capstone projects, and therefore they have an opportunity to deliver their innovative mind and showcase their innovative minds. When they come to the final year, it is not just their academic grades, but these innovative projects, their participation in mega competitions. We have several platforms to pick, choose, and mentor students for big events, because that's a big learning experience apart from participating in these competitions. The way we involve students in research activities, some of them may not be very good in academics, but when it comes to passion for research and bringing out some new outcomes, wonderful. So we provide them a 360-degree opportunity, and there's little doubt that the kind of exposure our students get because of the industry connect all the 4 years, because of the international connect all the 4 years, and because of the kind of faculty expertise available, industries cannot close their eyes.
Cannot say no.
They cannot say no. When the best talents are here,
Absolutely.
which industry would like to turn their back?